Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the JavaScript complete course. In this video we're going to talk about form events in JavaScript. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So we have already learned about basic events in our previous videos. Here you can see we have already learned about these events like click, double click, mouse over, mouse down, key press, and so on. So in this video we are going to learn about the basic form events in JavaScript, which are key down, key press, key up, focus, blur, input, change, select, submit, and invalid. So we have already learned about key down, key press, and key up. So in this video we are going to talk about focus and blur. So now let's jump over to the practice section. Alright, so here you can see at the left side we have our exercise file, and at the right side here you can see we have created a simple form with two inputs and one selecting option. Here you can see. First let me tell you what is the focus, and at the left side you can see here I've created a form tag, and inside the form I have a label with the name, text name, and after that I have this input element with the type text, and ID is empty. I didn't add anything. At the same I have the class, I have a class section, and at the bottom section here I have a select and some options that I have added for this part of my exercise file. And now we are going to jump over to the script section and we will add some JavaScript in this. Before adding the JavaScript code in this section, and I'm going to show you what is the use of the focus. So whenever I put the cursor, click on this input file, here you can see the border or the background is changed to the black. Here you can see the same, the class one, and this a selection option as well. So this is called the focus section. Whenever I click or whenever I click in any input file, it will change to the border or background change to the black. I didn't add any changes in this. This is the default part of the browser. So now we can also add the changes in that, and we are going to do this right now. So first let me let me save this. You can see let's save this. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the ID name, f name. So this one is for first name. I'm going to save this, and let's jump over to the script section. Here you can see the empty script part, and now here I'm going to I want to create a function. So this one will be function with the name of, first I'm going to work on a focus. So focus and focus function, and after that what I'm going to do, I'm going to say document dot get element by ID. So the ID is f name, and here I'm going to add the style dot background, and the color will be this color. Right, so now when I save this, here you can see, so nothing is happening here because we need to add here we need to pass the attribute, the focus attribute that like we added in our previous videos. So first we are going to use the focus attribute equal, inside the double quotation here I'm going to use the name of the method that I have created in our script section. So this one will be focus function. Here we go. So when I when we save this and click, nothing happens because here we didn't add on into focus. So this one is on focus and a focus function inside the double quotation. So when I save this and whenever I click, see, the background is changed, but in a class section when I click, nothing is happening here. So this is the use of the focus. It will focus on one part of the website whenever we click on that section. So we can also add the same changes, same style in our other parts that we need. So for this we are going to copy this function on, and what we are going to do, we are going to paste it right here. And now the question is here, how can this function, you can see this function can read the second input file as well to add some changes. For this, what we are going to do, we are going to use this keyword, because here we only add one ID, which is fname. So for this we are going to use this keyword, this, and also we are going to add this here as well, because it will target this element which is focused, and also this one as well. It will target the element that is focused. And what we are going to do here, this everything, we are going to jump over to the script section, and here inside the as a parameter we are going to create a variable with the name of element, and we are going to remove everything from here, this part, and we are going to pass this into element variable. There we go. So whenever I save this, and now whenever I click here, you can see, so whenever we focus on each part of the element, the changes append here, and when we click here, as you can see, but this one is not going to be focused because we didn't add any changes in this section as well. But you can see in these two sections are focused, and the changes appear in both of these. And we can also add the same changes into this country section as well. For this, what we are going to do, we are going to copy this function on focus, the function name, and we are going to pass this inside this select part, so that the changes will be appear in this country section as well. So whenever I save this and whenever I focus on each part of our page, the changes will appear on that section as well. Here you can see, whenever I click in every single part of this form, the changes appear. So when I refresh the page and whenever I focus on the class section, the focus style that we have added is appeared. Here you can see. So hope you understand until this point the uses of the on focus. So now you can see we have added a style by using the focus event, but the question is here, it's not going to remove the focus until we refresh the page. The background color, the style is not going to be removed. Here you can see, whenever we click anywhere, the focus changes, is style is not going to removed. So what we are going to do here, we need to use the blur event for this to remove this style from this. Whenever we click in the another part of the form or web page, this focus section should be removed. For this, what we are going to do, we are going to use, after this on focus, here we're going to use on blur, and you can see, and here we're going to use the name of the function that we are going to create, that blur function. That's it. And here what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this so that the changes should be appear in all these three parts, and here I'm going to add this in the select option as well. Here we go. Now let's save this, and now let's jump over to the script section. And I'm going to copy this script, this function, and let's just change the name of the function. Should be blur, and I'm going to leave this as the variable is going to be at the same, and I'm going to remove this color. Now let's save this. Here we go. So now whenever I focus on the name part, on the name section, it will add the changes in that. So whenever I click in the class section, this changes is going to be removed. When I click, nothing happens. And here I have made some mistake, because I need to pass this keyword as well, this, and all these three parts, all these three elements. Here we go. So when I save this, and whenever I click focus on the name, and whenever I want to focus on the class, see, the name is going to be changed to the default style. And when I click, here you can see it will add the focus section in the on the part that we have clicked. Here you can see, but when I click on a class, the focus is also removed from the country section as well. So this is the use of the blur and the focus events at the same time. So hope you understand until this point. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel so that you will get the notification of my new video when I upload them.